Valentino Italiano Whiskey 7 Delta November Yankee Sierra Queen 3 Golf Zulu Delta. Thank you.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to test the tiny radio. In this box I have Xiegu G90. I'm going to put the antenna on this tree for 40 meters. Recently I made the antenna using the coax and some wires. In the box we can see the battery. This battery has 8 amps lithium phosphate battery, 12.8 volts, the battery charger, and Xiegu G90. I'm going to use T2LT antenna for 40 meters. This wire 10 meters and coax 10 meters. Then we have a coil, a tube, a piece of tube around 50 millimeters and 35 turns. The coax cable RG223. Finally, the antenna is deployed. 10 meters wire, 10 meters coax, and you can see the coil right here on the tree. I have some issues with my antenna. I'm going to make the antenna shorter for 20 meters because the antenna is too long and I can't throw to the on top of this pine. It's really difficult to have the antenna vertical. Just cut the 5 meters of the wire. Let's move the coil close to the dipole. We have to disassemble this coil and make it again. I have to make 23 turns for 20 meters. Finally I got this coil. The coil is pretty good. Let's hang the antenna. Finally we have antenna on the tree. The time is 16:24. The frequency for the antenna little bit upper than main band, but I have auto tuner. Let's connect the antenna on the box. This is power supply. I don't need this stuff. Let's turn on the radio. Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Delta Whiskey, go again.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Radio 3 Delta Whiskey 51757.
Yes, your signal 5959. My name is Oleg. I'm from Voronezh.
QSL, many thanks for calling in. 73.
Thank you so much. 73. Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey portable.
Portable, secure pass on the earth.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey portable.
Radio 3 only, please.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey portable.
Okay, Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey portable. Hello, and thanks for calling for you 5 and 757. Order.
Roger, Roger. Your signal 5759 between that, but the quality of signal is really good. Thank you so much.
Yes, thanks for the fine report. Yes, you have a big QS breaker here. Your signal going down to 405 at the last transmission. Thanks for the talk, so I have you on the log. Goodbye.
73. Thank you so much. 73. Bye.
Portable. Sugar, CQ park on there. Lima 1 Sugar Whiskey Bravo Portable. Florida 8, Charlie Papa Alpha Portable. Florida 8, please try again. Florida 8, Charlie Papa Alpha Portable. No copy. On QRF from Delta Lima 1 Sugar Whiskey Baker Portable. CQ parked on there. Lima 26 Romeo. Delta Lima 2026 Romeo calling CQ.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable. Hello, good afternoon. You are 5 by 9.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon. My name is Oleg. I'm from Voronezh. Your signal 5959. QSL.
Okay, Alex. So thanks for the choose. 73.
Thank you so much. 73.
Delta Lima 2026 Romeo. Delta Lima 2026 Romeo calling CQ.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Station Papa again. Station Papa.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Station Portable. The signal very small. It's very weak and a very small signal. One more time again.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Copy only whiskey portable. Again, one more time.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey. Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Okay, just flattering the frequency. Radio 3 capacity, whiskey portable.
Yes. My call sign Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey. Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey portable. Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Yes. You're right. QSL.
I copy radio number 3, 1, 2, 3, radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey. Is it correct?
Yes. You're correct.
Okay. In this moment the signal is up. In this moment you are 3 by 5. Modulation 3 and the signal is 5, okay? In Sicily Island. My name is Antonio and my power 100 whiskey 100 watt. Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Stroke Portable. Italy Tango 9 Juliet Delta Radio.
Yes. Antonio, your signal 5959 My power around 20 watts. 20 watts and portable. QSL.
Okay, 73, the main city, 73, bye-bye.
Yeah. Thank you so much. 73. Bye.
Bye-bye.
The signal is weak, but he heard my call sign correctly.
Calling CQ and listening.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Radio 3 QR, please repeat your call sign. Over to you.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey, Sierra Papa 9, November Lima Oscar. Это очень приятно слышать вас. Приятно сделать связь с вами. Мое имя Петр. Давайте, пожалуйста, скажите, как вас зовут. Микрофон вам.
Да, Петр, меня зовут Олег из города Воронеж. Город Воронеж, нахожусь в лесу, портативная радиостанция, 20 ватт и антенна на дереве на приеме.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey, Sierra Papa 9, November Lima Oscar. Пожалуйста, повторите город, какой ваш микрофон вам?
Город Воронеж, зовут меня Олег. My name is Oleg, Voronezh City. QSL?
Олег, спасибо. Я вас очень четко слышу. И у меня нет никаких больших вопросов. Мой город это Сierra, это Sierra, India, Echo, Radio, Alpha, Delta. Thank you for QSO. Microphone вам.
Thank you so much. I don't have any questions. 73. See you. Bye.
Крепчайшего здоровья. Спасибо за связь. 73.
Спасибо, здоровья, счастья, 73.
CQ20.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Radio again.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.
Delta. Radio Whiskey 3 Delta Whiskey Portable again.
Radio 3 Kilowatt Delta Whiskey.
Radio number 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable. Roger.
Roger, Roger.
Roger, thank you very much for calling in. You're 5 and 6 in Austria, Vienna.
5959, your signal in Voronezh. My name is Oleg. Over.
Thank you for the 5 and 9, Alex. 73, and thank you for calling in. The special QSL is on the way to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, 73. Bye.
QSL 20 from Special Event Call Sign Ocean Echo 100 Ocean Echo Victor Sierra Victor.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.